Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson V11. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you've noticed that the trigger on your Dyson V11 won't activate the suction, you're not alone. This is a common issue that can occur due to wear and tear or a faulty component. If left unaddressed, it can lead to a complete loss of functionality, making your vacuum less effective at cleaning. To fix this problem, you'll need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a small pair of pliers, and a replacement trigger assembly specifically for the Dyson V11. First, ensure your Dyson V11 is turned off and unplugged to avoid any accidents. Start by removing the dust canister, which simply twists off. Next, locate the screws securing the back cover of the device. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws, keeping them safe for reassembly. Once the screws are out, gently pry open the back cover with your flathead screwdriver. Be cautious, as there are delicate clips that may break if too much force is applied. Inside, you'll see the trigger assembly. Look for the small connector that links the trigger to the suction motor. Disconnect this carefully using your pliers. It's essential to handle the wiring gently to avoid damaging nearby components. Now, remove the faulty trigger assembly by unscrewing the screws that hold it in place. Again, use your Phillips screwdriver for this. Once the screws are out, the trigger should slide out easily. Take your replacement trigger assembly and align it in the same position as the old one. Secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Next, reconnect the wiring to the suction motor, making sure it's firmly attached. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is back in place, carefully reattach the back cover of the Dyson V11, ensuring all clips are securely fastened and the screws are reinserted. Finally, reattach the dust canister and plug in your device, testing the trigger to confirm that it activates the suction as intended. To prevent this issue from occurring again, make sure to clean your Dyson V11 regularly, as dirt and debris can build up and affect the trigger's performance. Additionally, store your vacuum in a dry place to avoid moisture-related issues. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.